All right, got a Wiggly toilet seat like this. Here is how I fixed mine. All right, now this is the problem. Lateral movement, Wiggly toilet seat, right? That is why you are here. Now, if you poke around with this, this is actually the release, so you're not going to actually do that. That will actually release the toilet seat. But underneath here, at least on this particular toilet model, we've got a couple of very long plastic bolts with some plastic threads and a little nut. And so what we're going to do, by the way, click that like button, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to share this with somebody. But what we're going to do, let me get the camera down to the other side here. Can you see that? Long bolt and a nut. You're just going to tighten that by hand. Lefty-loosey, righty-tighty, right? And you're going to feel, if you jiggle the toilet seat, you're going to feel that it's tightening right up. So that is how you do it. Pretty easy job. Hopefully this helped you out. Thanks.